Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel reviews first. Are you looking for the top 5 best dash cams with GPS in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best dash cams with GPS in 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The TERUNSOUl 4K plus 4K plus 1080p 3-channel dash cam delivers unmatched clarity and complete coverage for total peace of mind on every drive. Equipped with dual ultra-high-definition 4K cameras for the front and rear, plus a 1080p cabin camera, it captures every detail inside and outside your vehicle. The advanced 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6 technology enables ultra-fast transfers up to 20 MB/s, making video downloads smooth and effortless. With IR night vision, the interior camera ensures clear recordings even in complete darkness, ideal for rideshare drivers and night travel. The built-in GPS accurately records speed and location data, adding valuable context to every clip. A free 128 GB memory card is included, so you're ready to record right out of the box. Designed for reliability, the dash cam features loop recording, emergency lock, and parking monitoring to protect your vehicle around the clock. The TERUNSOUl dash cam combines cutting-edge technology, superior video quality, and user-friendly performance for safer, smarter driving. Number 2. The TERUNSOUl 4K plus 4K dash cam front and rear is designed to deliver premium protection and crystal-clear recording for your vehicle. Equipped with true dual 4K resolution, it captures ultra-detailed footage from both the front and rear, ensuring license plates, road signs, and critical moments are clearly visible day or night. The package includes a free 128 GB memory card, so it's ready to use right out of the box. With 5.8 GHz high-speed Wi-Fi, you can quickly transfer videos to your smartphone for viewing or sharing through a dedicated app. The built-in GPS accurately records driving speed and location, providing valuable data in case of incidents. A sensitive G-sensor automatically locks and protects important footage during sudden impacts or collisions. The 170-degree wide-angle lens minimizes blind spots and captures more of the road, while the 3-inch IPS display offers a clear, vibrant view for easy setup and playback. Reliable, smart, and powerful, the TERUNSOUl dashcam is an essential upgrade for safer, more confident driving. Number 3. The FAIMEE 4K dashcam front and rear with GPS is designed to give drivers complete confidence and protection on every journey. Featuring ultra-clear 4K front recording paired with a high-definition rear camera, it captures critical details like license plates, road signs, and surroundings with exceptional clarity. The upgraded 5.8G Wi-Fi ensures faster, more stable video transfers to your smartphone, making playback and sharing quick and effortless. Built-in GPS tracking accurately records speed and location, providing reliable evidence when you need it most. Advanced night vision and WDR technology enhance visibility in low-light conditions, delivering balanced, sharp footage day or night. The 160-degree wide-angle lens minimizes blind spots, covering more of the road ahead and behind. For round-the-clock protection, the 24-hour parking monitor keeps watch even when your car is parked, while the emergency recording feature automatically locks important footage during sudden impacts. Durable, reliable, and feature-packed, the FAIMEE Dual Dashcam is an essential upgrade for safer, smarter driving. Number 4. The BOTSLAB 3-channel Dashcam 4K is a powerful and reliable driving companion designed to capture every moment on the road with exceptional clarity. Featuring true 4K front recording, along with rear and inside cameras, this dashcam provides complete 3-channel coverage for maximum security. The included 128 GB memory card ensures ample storage for continuous loop recording, so you never miss critical footage. Its 3.18-inch responsive touchscreen offers an intuitive user experience, allowing easy access to settings and video playback. With voice control, you can operate the dashcam hands-free, keeping your focus on safe driving. The advanced 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi enables faster video transfers to your smartphone, while the built-in GPS accurately tracks driving routes, speed, and location for added evidence and peace of mind. Ideal for daily commuters, rideshare drivers, and families, the BOTSLAB dashcam combines smart technology, premium build quality, and reliable performance to enhance road safety and provide dependable video documentation whenever you need it. Number 5. The Vantrue N4 Pro S4K 3-channel dashcam delivers unparalleled recording quality for drivers seeking comprehensive coverage and peace of mind on the road. Featuring triple STARVIS 2 sensors, it captures crystal-clear footage in 4K front, 2.5K rear, and 1080p interior channels, ensuring every angle is monitored with stunning detail. The HDR and IR night vision technology enhances low-light performance, allowing you to record sharp, vivid footage even in complete darkness. Designed for versatility, the Vantrue N4 Pro S supports 4+ 2.5K dual-channel recording, making it perfect for ride-sharing drivers, families, and security-conscious car owners. Voice control offers hands-free convenience, while features like parking mode, G-sensor, and loop recording ensure your vehicle is protected at all times. Its compact, discreet design blends seamlessly into your car interior without obstructing your view. Whether driving in the city or on long road trips, the Vantrue N4 Pro S guarantees reliable, high-resolution video recording. Trust this advanced dash cam to capture every moment, day or night, front and back, providing ultimate security for you and your passengers.